back at our site here in Des Moines for another tour. As you can see behind me, building number 1 has been completed. Few finishing touches on the interiors, but for the most part, we've got 3 tenants in the building already. Building number 2 is coming up nicely, back in the background there. And so I'll walk you through the drive aisle between those 2 buildings. You can check it out, see where we are in status. There we have building number 2, coming up nicely. Exterior is nearly completed. And north of that building is the first building that was completed here and delivered to our existing buyers. Here's the rear of the site, facing north. And so, as you can see there, nearly completed. That in front of us is site for build number 3. This will be the green space between the 2 buildings. And then right there is the building pad for our 4th building at the rear of the site. You can see the retaining wall there at the end there. Here's the exterior of that 2nd building, and it's really impressive how our team was able to use all the lessons learned from the 1st building and accelerate the construction of the 2nd building, which came up really rather quickly. Okay, that's it for our tour. See you next time.